just did 11 million streams, nigga, and I'm not even signed, nigga, and I make more money than artists that sign, bro. That's how I know it's something going on, bro. And Dolph told me that shit, bro. Dolph told me that shit, bro. Dolph told me this shit, bro. He's like, bro, yeah, bro, I'm getting too much. Dolph told me, bro, I'm getting too much motherfucking money, bro. I'm getting too much fucking money, bro. He told me that shit, bro. I'm getting too much fucking money, bro. I'm getting too much fucking money, dog. And he told me that shit, bro. And at the same time, like, oh, cool, like, he said, bro, I'm getting too much fucking money, bro. They gonna wanna kill me, bro. They gonna wanna kill me, bro. He said, bro, if I ever found out, he said, bro, if they ever kill me, bro, I want you to go on live, nigga, and talk your shit, bro. If they ever kill me, bro, and that's not, nigga, exactly what I'm finna do, dog. If they ever kill me, bro, they go on live, nigga, talk your shit. Yeah, I'm finna talk my shit, nigga. Talk about, nigga, that if they kill me, nigga, go on live, nigga, and let everybody know. I'm finna let every motherfucking body know, nigga. Straight up, nigga, that was my motherfucking brother, nigga. Fuck wrong with y'all niggas, bro. Nigga, this shit was all over nothing. Over nothing, nigga. Over nothing. Over nothing, nigga. And I'm finna let y'all know the reason why they did that to my brother, bro. I'm finna let y'all know, bro. I'm finna let y'all know, bro. But at the same time, shit, bitch, you ain't finna stop nothing I got going on. You ain't finna stop nothing I got going on. Straight up, nigga. They killed my nigga because he was finna buy a record label. He was finna buy, Dolph was finna buy a fucking, Dolph was finna be 50-50 with Empire, nigga.
Do y'all hear that? Listen to this. Stay woke, and I've been telling y'all this for months. Stay woke. I'm gonna break this down for y'all. Stay woke.
Straight up, nigga. They killed my nigga because he was finna buy a record label. Dolph was finna buy a fucking, Dolph was finna be 50-50 with Empire, nigga. Dolph had enough money to be 50-50 with Empire, nigga. The same nigga that signed him, nigga, when Soulja Boy said that shit, when Soulja Boy came out with that little bullshit ass statement like, Dolph ain't independent. As soon as nigga Dolph came to the Empire, because the niggas like, hey, let me buy this bitch. Dolph came to them motherfuckers, let me buy this bitch. Let me be co-owner of Empire, nigga.
And it's crazy that Dolph told him to do this. He said, if they ever kill me, talk that shit. This is exactly what he's talking about, because Dolph was trying to purchase Empire. It's right here.
When Dolph came to the motherfucking people and told these niggas, let me be co-owner of Empire, nigga, they killed my bro, nigga, 4 days later, nigga. 4 days later.
4 days after he was about, after he just talked to Ghazi. After he went in there and talked to Ghazi, let me rewind that a little bit. After he went and talked to Ghazi, 4 days later, he gets killed.
Buy this bitch. Dolph came to the motherfucker. Let me buy this bitch. Let me be co-owner of Empire, nigga. When Dolph came to the motherfucking people and told these niggas, let me be co-owner of Empire, nigga, they killed my bro, nigga, 4 days later, nigga.
This is copy and paste. I'm gonna run it back one more time. Get the likes up, and I'm breaking this down for y'all, man. This is a whole nother case, and I've done all this in less than 10 hours. I've been working for y'all, man. Get the likes up. That's all I ask. Get the likes up for me. I've been working for y'all. Get the likes up for me. Let's go. Run it.
Let me buy this bitch. Let me be co-owner of Empire, nigga. When Dolph came to the motherfucking people and told these niggas, let me be co-owner of Empire, nigga, they killed my bro, nigga, 4 days later, nigga. 4 days later. Now remind you, let's remind you, nigga, Yo Gotti. Let's remind you of this nigga, dog. Yo Gotti was not a fucking threat. See, Yo Gotti was not finna fuck with Dolph because he had too much to lose. See what I'm saying? Yo Gotti was never a threat to my nigga, to my brother Dolph, bro. Yo Gotti was never a motherfucking threat to my nigga, bro, dog. Dolph made enough motherfucking money to go in half with Empire, nigga. He made enough motherfucking money to go half and half empire, nigga. Dolph was a fucking 100 millionaire. They killed my brother, dog. I said up here, nigga, I just talked to Dolph 2 days ago. I talked to Dolph 2 days ago. 2 fucking days ago, I talked to Dolph. This nigga healthy, talking good, in good spirit. This nigga everything. Now, after everything got exposed to the world, now my nigga dead. Now my nigga dead. You know what I'm saying?
So Empire did not want Soulja Boy put out there. No one knew about him and his ties with Empire because he was trying to buy it. No one knew about his ties to Empire, but once the ties came out, 4 days later, or whatever, whenever Soulja Boy exposed all that stuff, no one knew about that. That was under the table, whatever. That was between Gotti and Dolph. I don't know how, whatever. Soulja Boy exposes it. Now Dolph is dead. That's right. We gotta pay attention to what he's saying, y'all. Run it back.
2 fucking days ago,
We're gonna be here for a while tonight, y'all. We get your popcorn ready. We going in.
I talked to Dolph. This nigga healthy, talking good, in good spirit.
We got 2K in the building. Let's go.
Nigga everything. Now, after everything got exposed to the world, now my nigga dead. Now my nigga dead. You know what I'm saying? This shit, bro. Me and Dolph was like this. We talk to each other every fucking day, bro. Me and Dolph talk to each other every fucking day, bro. They killed my nigga over some motherfucker. Y'all serious, bro? Y'all killed my nigga because he had enough money to fucking go buy Empire? This nigga had enough money to go have on Empire. So y'all sacrificed my nigga. Y'all killed my nigga. See what I'm saying? Now you got niggas who this nigga's gonna put me in a position. You see what I'm saying? I was the upcoming artist with paper out. Now you kill my nigga. Take him out the game. Just because he can fucking afford the money. That's why he reached out to me. He said this shit. That's why he reached out to me, because he said this shit, bro. That's why he reached out like, bro, you not on yet, bro. Bro, if something happened to me, bro, I want you to expose everything. Fuck y'all. I'm exposing all y'all motherfuckers, for real. Industry weird as a motherfucker. You some hate ass, gay ass niggas. Fuck y'all niggas. Fuck you niggas. Talking about CMG faggots. Nigga, fuck y'all niggas. Fuck all y'all niggas, for real. And it's like that. I don't give a fuck. I don't really care. Y'all just took somebody away that I love, bro. Y'all took a nigga away that I love, bro. I love this nigga, bro. That's why he said y'all faggots. Faggot ass niggas. Fuck ass, punk ass niggas. Why you think Glock ain't got no motherfucking features? Why you think Glock ain't got no fucking features? And that's his artist. That was his artist. Why you think Glock ain't got no fucking features, you faggot ass niggas? He ain't fucking with y'all niggas. That's why I'm saying, like, niggas want, alright. Drop Yellow Tape 2. Drop Yellow Tape 2. That shit on billboards, nigga. That shit in New York on billboards, nigga. Niggas hating. Niggas, woo. We can't Snupe. We gotta get rid of this nigga. We can't get rid of Key Glock. We gotta get rid of Dolph. If we get rid of Dolph, then Key Glock ain't gonna be able. Right.
We gonna expose everything tonight.
Y'all niggas happy, bro? Y'all niggas happy? Is y'all niggas happy, bro? Y'all Dolph gone, bro. Y'all niggas happy, bro?
The crazy thing is, I'm the only person on YouTube with these videos. You gotta subscribe to the channel and get the drop right here, man. We running it tonight. We got 2K in the building. Get the likes up, y'all. Get the likes up. Let's go. We exposing it all tonight.
What we gotta do? Go get Yo Gotti now? What we gotta go do? Go pull up on Yo Gotti, get this nigga ready to go, so we can make Folksy unhappy, so we can make Moneybag Yo unhappy, so we can make all of these stuff too. That's the game y'all wanna play. Alright. Cause you know, when Dolph died, he left behind a lot. So
somebody said he been in the rain. The little rainwater would have never exposed anybody. Nigga, got the nuts to. Keep it book. This dude is a real rider right here. He telling it all. Like, fuck it, I'll sacrifice myself for it. This message getting out. If my bro asked me to do it, I would have did the same thing for my bro.
So if that's the game y'all want to play, bro, if that's the motherfucking game y'all want to play, bro, we gotta go to war with y'all CMG niggas. We will play that fucking game, bro. We will play that game. On God, we will fucking play. Cause you know, when Dolph died, nigga, he left behind a lot. So so if that's the game y'all want to play, bro, if that's the motherfucking game y'all want to play, bro, we gotta go to war with y'all CMG niggas. We will play that fucking game, bro. We will play that game. On God, we will fucking play that game, bro. And I'm with it. I'm with it. Cause this nigga put niggas in more positions. They sacrificed that young man. It seemed like he wasn't one. So, now let me tell you something. Dolph is finna buy Kita. Dolph is finna buy Empire. You finna buy Empire. He wasn't finna buy Empire, he was finna go half and half. But now, he finna go half and half with Empire. 49%, 51%. 1 day, 4 days before this man did that, they killed him. That shit sound like Michael Jackson. When Michael Jackson was finna buy, he do everybody like this, bro. He do everybody like this, bro. It's not no surprise thing. And Dolph, that's why Dolph talked to me. I talked to Dolph. I just fucking talked to Dolph 2 days ago. He said, bro, something happened to me. He said this shit. If something happened to me, nigga, go online, go on your internet, and nigga, go and expose this shit, bro. He said, bro, if something happened to me, bro, expose this shit, bro. He said, if something happened to me, bro, expose this shit, bro. Straight up. Fuck all y'all. Fuck all y'all. Fuck everybody. Fuck motherfucking everybody. Nigga, I don't give a fuck. If you got something to do with this industry shit, fuck you, nigga. This shit weird as a motherfucker. Niggas don't want niggas to be shining. Niggas don't want niggas to win. I've been a fucking local celebrity. Nigga, I've been a local celebrity, nigga, in my city, nigga, my whole fucking life, nigga. Nigga, I've been the shit in my city my whole motherfucking life. Niggas do not want to see me win, bro. He said that shit, bro. He said, niggas do see me die, bro. Bro, I mean, that's what they done with it for, brothers to do the right thing with that money. They couldn't get him like they, exactly. They can't get him like, just like they can't get me like they wanted to. Exactly. They can't fucking get me. They couldn't get that nigga. Dolph had way more money than me, bro. Dolph had way more money than me. He was in a position that nigga, he couldn't even touch that nigga. And y'all got him? Come on, dog. Come on. This don't even fucking make sense, dog. This shit don't even fucking make sense, dog. You sitting there every day, this shit don't even fucking make sense, dog. My brother should never been in a motherfucking position where he was able to get touched, bro. Never. Never. Unless it had something to do with the fucking industry, bro. Never should have been in no motherfucking situation like this, bro. He told me, bro, if I'm going, bro, I'm finna talk my shit. I don't care. I don't give a fuck. I'm a rapper my damn self. I don't care. I'm talking my shit. I don't give a fuck. Fuck y'all. Straight up. For real. With a passion. With a passion. I'm talking my shit. You want to stay out there way? Alright, cool. I'm talking my shit. What's up, Tyler? I got over 40 viewers right now. I'm just talking my shit that I don't know. Like, how I feel. Like, this shit wasn't even supposed to be like that, dog. And for all the viewers that sit out here listening to all this shit, like, you gotta know this shit, dog. Everybody is typing in. Like, I just seen 100 names came on this motherfucker. And I just seen 100 comments, and I ain't responding to, hold on, I'm gonna respond to this. All the great ones they take out when they gaining more than this is so word. Seriously, how can no one not see it? Exactly. It's obvious, like, right, how can I see it? It's like, it's so word. Seriously, how can we not see it? It's so obvious, it's sad. Rest in peace, Young Dolph. He was living his best life when he, yes, He was giving back, exactly. You know what I'm saying? For all the 40 viewers that's on her right now. What's up, Coco? This shit real, dog. And I hate that I gotta be the nigga that's going viral right now. But at the same time, this nigga Dolph reached out to me on a whole different level. You see what I'm saying? What's up, my man? He's on a whole different level, dog. That's why I'm going through it right now. You got this.
Woods, pretty face, but I'm known for hitting drugs. Yeah. Got him like, too good. To the yard, he ain't never leave his pretty on God. Broke, too good. Real boss, nigga got the woods, pretty face, but I'm known for hitting drugs. Yeah. Got him like, too good. To the yard, he ain't never leave his pretty on God. Broke, too good. Real boss, nigga got the good. Real boss, nigga